Assistance dog task aiding and emptying the washing machine or tumble dryer. Part 1.
Good boy.
It's important to show your dogs all components of the behavior, as this is a behavior chain.
Good job. Very good. Can you take it?
So here we have the washing and the tumble dryer.
Boy. Nice and clever. Good job. Ready? Can you take it? Yes.
Rewarding for any interaction with the clothes.
Clever. Good job. You take it? Good boy.
Opening the machine and showing the dogs what we do.
Take it.
Also letting them approach the machine and check it out.
Very good. You take it. You do it.
And again reward for any behavior in exploring the machine.
Good boy. Take it. Good job. Very good.
We spend a lot of time in teaching dogs as puppies not to bite clothes or stick their heads into white goods.
Very good. You take it. Take it, Lisa.
So we need to undo a previously learnt behavior and build confidence in interacting with these items.
You get it? You get it?
Each time Diesel touches the clothes with his nose, I am clicking and treating.
Get it? You get it? Yes, good.
This is so we can build this behavior up to him taking the item.
Take it, Lisa. It's all right, good boy. Take it.
This can be on the floor or from our hands to begin with, and then build to the machine to take the item back out.
Good boy. Take it.
Again marking and treating for any attempts at pulling or taking the item in their mouth.
Take it, Lisa. Get it? Good boy. You're so good. Good boy. That was really good.
With regular practice with short training sessions and building duration, you will be able to build your dog's confidence in this behavior.
Good job.
But remember, not all assistance dogs or service dogs are mobility aid dogs.
You did it on your own. Good boy. You do it. Oh, good boy. You did so well.
Assistance dog task aiding and emptying the washing machine or tumble dryer. Part 2.
You ready? Oh, good job. You done your own. Well done.
Once we have built confidence with the clothing items, it is important to raise criteria and encourage them to use their mouth to pick the item up.
Yes, good job.
Mark
Well
and
done.
reward for any interaction with their mouth.
You take it.
Some dogs may need you to hold the item for confidence and encouragement. Some dogs may be able to pick up the item from the floor.
Take it. Very good, thank you.
At this point, it doesn't matter, as your dog isn't a robot and they need time to reliably learn a new behavior. Assistance dogs and service dogs take a lot of time to train for reliability.
Good job.
This can range between a year or 3.
Good, very good. You're so clever.
Too many people get down about the duration or how long it takes to train their dog.
Take it. Take it.
But it's better to have a reliably trained dog and a relationship fully built with an unbreakable bond through your training journey.
You're so good boy. You're so clever. You're so clever.
Assistance and service dogs aren't all about public access.
Oh, these treats are...
They have to be able to reliably task various behaviors.
You did so good. You did so good, yeah. Oh, thank you. Give me some tea up then.
Assistance dog task aiding and emptying the washing machine or tumble dryer. Part 3.
So clever. Can you get it?
Once they are confident in grabbing the clothes, we show them the next steps of the behavior.
Good boy. You're so clever.
We are now aiming for the dog to pick up the item and pass it to us.
Yay, good job. So clever. Can you get it? Yes, good boy. Very good.
They won't get this straight away, and you will need patience.
Yay, good job. Can you get it? Can you get it? Oh, sorry.
You might find that they pick the item up and get excited and throw it farther away from us.
Can you get it? Good boy. Very good. Can you get it? Good boy. Bring it. Can you bring it then? Bring it, Sunshine.
You may find they pick the item up and drop it again.
Can you bring it?
Remember, to train a reliable behavior, you need practice and patience.
Good boy. Can you get it? Okay, Sunshine. You can get it. You get this one.
Moving to the next step, add the clothing item into the machine, draped out.
Good job. Can you get it? Sunshine? Can you get it? Good boy.
Remember each interaction they have with their encourage mouth your
with
dog
the
to take the item
should
be
out of the
rewarded.
Can you get it? Good boy. Very good. Can you get it? Very good. Good job. Good boy. It's so good. Is he clever?
Whenever you finish a session, ensure that you give them plenty of rewards in both food and fuss or play, so that you end the session on a high note.
Clever boy. Yeah. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Good boy. How is everybody?
Assistance dog task aiding and emptying the washing machine or tumble dryer. Part 4.
Good girl. Very good.
So in this video, we have the finished behavior of passing the washing and taking the washing back out of the machine.
Good job. Very good. Good girl.
This is one of Coda's tasks, so she is very confident in the behavior.
Good girl. Very good. Nice. Good girl. Perfect. Good girl.
She does this without treats, but this is for teaching, and it's always nice to revisit how the behavior began.
Perfect. Good girl. You take it out. You take it
She
out.
passes each item on cue. You can use any cue you like.
My fault, isn't it? You take it out.
Once all of the washing is loaded in, we then move to taking it back out.
You pick it up. Perfect. Good job.
Obviously, in normal circumstances, this wouldn't happen, and it would go on to dry.
Good job.
But for training, this builds confidence and helps to change the behavior.
Very good. Good girl. You close the door. You close the door.
Once they are able to do this behavior fully, we then move on to closing the door.
Good job. You too clever.
This was built up from a touch behavior and changing the cue to close the door.
Very good. Good job. How was your grammar?